Okay, what I want to look at in this tutorial is what happens when you start taking text and actually adding classes to it. And when you drag around a particular important word or something like that, such as Asheville Area Chamber of Commerce, that actually gives me a word that maybe I want Asheville Chamber of Commerce to look the same every single time I do it. If I want to go ahead and style this thing using the word type of styling, let's say I want to give it a font that I like, which is I want to make this font Geneva, and I want to go ahead and give it red text or something like that. Notice that what's happened is it's created a span dot style one. Dot style one is a class, and it's created this class automatically for me. Now the problem with this is that style one doesn't mean anything at all. And this is generally a bad idea to do it this way. The way that you're supposed to do it is that you're supposed to find something like AB Tech, which is, I'm going to say that AB Tech is going to have its own style. And what I'll do is I'll create a style for it now. So I'll do a new CSS rule. It says class. And I'm going to call this .AB Tech. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, AB Tech will always be green, and it will always be bold, and it will always be italic. So if I click OK, I've created the style, but I haven't applied it to the page. Now that I have the text selected, I can go to Style and call it AB Tech. So that's how you would normally apply a style. Well, the first way I did it is actually valid too if you go ahead and fix it afterwards. A lot of people, I say, I want you to erase it. But you can actually fix it. And the way to fix it is to go right up to the style in your CSS panel, right-click on it, and rename this style and call it something significant. So this is the style for Chamber of Commerce. So I'll just call it Commerce. And click OK. And look what's happened. It's actually changed it in my CSS, and it's changed it in my code. It actually has come up with a search results bar at the bottom as well, indicating to me that it matched the class that used to be called Style1 and have renamed that for us. So it fixed our code for us. And once again, this is why it is important to use an application like Dreamweaver to fix your code. I don't have a site definition because I only have one page, but be aware that you don't want things like Style 1, Style 2, Style 3. So if you rename the styles because they have some significance, some semantic reason for being named something, you can fix those styles and then you can use them later. So if I want to go and use that later by the chamber, I have the chamber here again, I can select that, go to where it says style and use commerce, and you'll see that I get the same thing. And that's a quick way that you can fix using classes that are automatically generated by Dreamweaver. And that's it.